Okay, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1436 that is a destination city, sorry. And in this you will be given an array paths, and where paths I will be equal to like this city I to city B, and this means that there exists a path between city A to city B. Okay, and we have to return the destination city, that is the city without any path outgoing to another city, and it is guaranteed that the graph of the paths forms a line without any loop. So it's not like you will be traveling in a circle or something and will be exactly one destination city. Okay, so this is a pretty easy question. We can just simply use the hash map to detect uh, the ending point. Okay, so let's first create the map. Let's call it map of string and string, because we'll be storing the start city and the end city. String comma string, and let's call it graph. Okay, graph is equal to new hash map. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll be updating the values in the graph. So let's use a for each loop, that for list of string in path in paths. Okay, paths. So here what we'll be doing, we'll be just updating. Let me just zoom and move. Yeah, path and paths. What we'll be doing, mapped. Okay, graph dot put path dot get 0, representing where will be the starting point, and graph path dot get 1. So we'll be mapping the starting point and the ending point. Okay, so let's say after this our graph will be created, and let's have a string with start city, from where we'll be starting. Okay, city is equal to new paths dot get 0 dot get 0. Okay, so in this, as we are given a list of string, so in the first test case our start city would be, let's say we are assuming it to be London. Okay, then what we'll be doing, that while okay, so it's pretty clear that our map would not be containing the destination point or the ending point as a key. Okay, so what we'll be doing, we'll be using a for loop, that while my graph dot contains key start city. Okay, so what I'll be doing, I'll be updating my start city equal to graph dot get start city. Okay, so I'll be updating my destination city, start city with the destination city, like the city that is approaching, that my current city is approaching. Okay, so at the end I'll be just returning start city. So now let's run it. And it gets accepted. Okay, so now let's submit it. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.